Well, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be making this beautiful vase out of waste. So we'll be needing a glass jar, brush, waste eggshells, waste onion peels, glue and some kind of paint. So first you'll be needing to clean the jar. So I have cleaned the jar and now I'm applying the glue and sticking on the shells. Now that I've completed one side, I'll be sticking on the other sides. Now I have completed sticking on the eggshells. I'm now sticking on some onion peels. I'm cutting it into a flower petal shape, but you can cut it into any shape and stick it. The design can be of your choice. Now I'm applying some white glue to seal on the eggshells and the onion peel. Now I'm painting the eggshells pink because the color of the onion peels are pink as well. And now it's done. It looks so beautiful. The eggshells and the onion peel gives it some natural look to it. I hope you like our tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe. And see you all in the next video. Bye.